I'm going to show you now how to install a Pro skin. Now Pro skins are installed in exactly the same way as you install a regular theme, except of course in this case you'll have to have HeatMap Theme Pro installed first. So I'm going to click on the Appearance drop down, click on Themes, and then we're in the Manage Themes tab. I'm now going to click on Install Themes and then click on the Upload link. And then we're going to browse to find these Pro skins. Now, of course you will have downloaded these earlier from heatmaptheme.com. There's a number available. Let's choose Red Hot Chili. I'm going to click on that and click Open. And then Install Now. That's installed now, and I'll activate it. Then let's take a look. And we can see we've got a brand new colour for HeatMap Theme Pro.